I've got Honor 7A, and let me show you how to activate and use simple mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then go to the system, and here you'll notice simple mode. Simply click on it, and if you would like to activate minimalistic mode, just click on apply. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in minimalistic mode and all the icons are way bigger, so you will not miss any of them. And if you'd like to go back to the normal mode, here you've got the standard mode icon, just click on it. And now confirm that you would like to change the standard home screen by tapping on OK. And that's it. As you can see, simple mode has been deactivated and you can use your device in a normal mode. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.